Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode I'll show you how to implement sign in and sign up using Firebase authentication. So let's get in. So let's see what changes have I done to our project. So first of all, let's see the header, the app component. We don't need this anymore because we use notification. So I add the sign in and sign up elements and paths. So let's see them. So right here we have two inputs and ability to upload profile images, password, and button to submit the sign up. And the sign in component looks pretty the same. It only has input and for email and password, and also it has button to submit. So what happens here? When we click this button, we invoke in this function. It's a async function, so we can await these methods that right here. So first of all, when we change something in our inputs, it's setting the state variables right here, and when we click this button, this function invokes, and right here it takes two parameters, email and password, checks if email and password is not empty, and if it's not empty, then it invokes this function. This is the default function that I imported from the Firebase npm package. So if everything good, then it returns true, and if it's true, then result is here, and if result is true, then it alerts that login is successful, and it redirects to our home page. This means that it won't open in new tab in browser, and if something goes wrong, it returns an error code. For example, if email or password is empty. Yeah. So let's see how it works. Wait, for the I need to show you how sign up looks first. So it's pretty the same. It has this function, but it's calls register here. It has three inputs: for password, for your picture, or four inputs: for your name, email, and for your password and for your image. So when you input all of this information and then you click this button, this function invokes, and these things got invoked. Alright, so let's see the register function right here. Takes three parameters: email, password, and name, and right here try catch. It's like if something goes wrong. Yeah, you know this. So it uses the same, not the same it creates users with password and email. It has the same default function for Google authorization if you need. So this thing is the default, also default thing that I imported from this authorization npm package. So let's see this async function. So first of all, it creates the password or the user and at the moment when this user creates, it appears right here in our current user. It has all of the different information about our current user, like his ID, his password, his display name, his everything. I'll show you later. So update profile is like a function to update the display name, and also we'll use it to update our photo URL. So right here it got invoked, and after that this function got invoked if this was successful. So let's see, it has all of the different checking right here, try catch and everything else. If these fields are empty, then this, oh by the way, I guess it's no, it's right. Let's see this function. Where is it? Right here. So it's pretty the same, but it's used not authentication like npm package, but storage npm package right here. We don't need this console log. Okay, it uploads image. When you select in this file, you get this state variable set. You can choose all of the different multiple files, but we need the first one. So it says right here the first one file that we selected, and this function got invoked with this file. So right here we can see upload bytes. It's like function to upload this file right here in the folder in Firebase with profile pictures, and right here you can see I've tested it. So upload bytes, this thing got upload, and after that update profile is like the thing that we used here. We need this to connect our current user and set his profile picture to the picture we uploaded. You can see we need this pass. Oh, not. Anyway, we need this path. So this function gets this path, and later this path will appear in our img tag in the header right here, but later. So I'm recording. Oh my god. So registration is successful, and we got redirected to our home page. It's pretty the same. So what I've done also, these two important things I wrote you, I have written, I don't care, these comments right here. You need to know what is use context hook in React. We'll using this to get our data, like this data about our current user, or later I'll add right here the liked movies that our user liked in our like page when he clicks this button, this like button. Also I need to add them somewhere here, this button to like films. Alright, so these two things, it's like context. You can see this thing right here. So what this thing does, if we need some information about our user or other information, we'll basically just for example on our header, let's see, you can see I use this use context hook that imported from React, and right here we get the data. This context data is for now is this user. I've not implemented this like movies array yet. So Firebase context is this thing. It's like context, that everything that right here will be available in this our components when we call this use context hook. And as you can see, the use context takes this Firebase context that was imported from here. Alright, so first of all, our user set to null, because we need to get this information. It's not like we need some time to get this information. I'll show you later. For example, let's sign up. For example, I'll enter some test something like this, and for example Dan, and let's choose for example this picture. If maybe it can matter. So when I set my password QWERTY123, alright, I'm pressing sign up, and you will see this picture won't appear instantly. Need some time to get this image. So invalid email, what the hell? Sign up. So registration successful. Yeah, you can see this is my image that I upload. So if I refresh this page, you can see this file appeared right here in our storage. And by the way, I've added you to this project so you can see and use all of this information. So, and this user appeared right here. So let's move on. Let's sign out, for example, and you can see this thing. So what else have I done? So let's see how the sign-in works. I'll use my profile that I've just created and my password QWERTY123. I'm pressing sign in right here. Login successful. So let's see what users had. So it has display name that I input when I registered my user. It has my mail, my UID. We need this later too. By the way, as you can see right here in storage, when we my UID is that one, it stores the image with the ID, so we can get this image easily. So also, so we can see this, all this information. Yeah, that's basically it. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. So the most important thing is to know how to get this information that stores right here by using this use context hook. You'll provide him Firebase context and you'll get this information. So this is basically it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow or in the Monday. Bye.